Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can do competitor backlinks analysis. So you need to go to SEMrush tool and you need to go to this backlink gap tool in the left bar and then enter your domain and your competitor's domain, and then you can just simply click on analysis and it will give you the results. Okay, and I gave you this SEMrush trial tool in the description and comment pin. You can try the SEMrush free tool for 14 days without any charges. So here you can see it's showing me all the backlinks details with my competitors. Yes, here you can see these are the backlinks which my competitor and my website getting. So here the competitors monthly visit, and here you can see this easypdfeditor.com is my website that is getting 0 backlinks from these websites, and my competitor sejda.com is getting lot more links from these websites. So this SEMrush tool is amazing for backlinks analysis. Okay, and here you can add up to 4 competitors. So let me just add one more competitor, pdffiller.com. Okay, pdffiller.com. So you can see that it will show in the orange line. Yes, okay, so you can see all these two competitors and one my website. These backlink analysis, like from this adobe.com, this sejda.com is getting 12 backlinks and pdffiller is getting 5 backlinks, and github and other like spotify.com getting 1 and 3, wikipedia getting 11 and 12, mozilla, okay, up to down 60-30. So these are the number of backlinks which my competitors are getting. So you can do a amazing competitor backlink analysis with this SEMrush free tool. This is not a free tool, but you can use for free trial for 14 days without any payment or without any card. You can check the free link in the description and comment pin. So this is an amazing tool and I recommend to you. So from there you can also change the pages of the backlinks, like it will give a complete review or complete analysis. So here I just move on to the next page. So you can see here on second page, so it give me complete details, and on this export button you can export this details in the data sheet or in the Excel sheet. So don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.